Students' review of Disa Ray on machine learning using Python. About the trainee.
Hi, my name is Disha, and I've been working in ICSS for the last 3 years, and I've done my bachelor's from Heritage Institute of Technology.
How was the machine learning using Python programming training for you?
I found the course to be very effective, and it was taught in a very clear and concise way, as a result of which everything has been I was able to grasp it properly, and I can use it now in my day-to-day life.
What are the application utility you have learned throughout the course?
I've learned various supervised and unsupervised techniques of machine learning, which I can use in real life techniques, and it has also helped me to boost my professional career a lot.
Would you recommend your friends to join Indian Cybersecurity Solutions to learn machine learning using Python?
I would give full stars to Indian Cybersecurity Solutions and would strongly recommend my friends to do the course from there.